Hello and welcome to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, since everybody is doing RV shows and we won't be able to make it to one this year, we end up finding a footage of us at one down in
Fort Worth, Texas.
Texas.
It was a Fort Worth RV show back in last year.
2019. So since we're still in Texas to our YouTube travels and everybody's doing RV shows, we figured we'll show you ours.
Yeah, this one is actually pretty funny. It's our first time ever in a Tiffin.
First time ever in a $250,000 house on wheels.
It was amazing. So we couldn't save this just for us. We have to share it to you all.
It was so shiny, so big. I felt like a king in a palace compared to ours.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think the bedroom alone is the size of our trailer.
This was amazing. So we're gonna let you watch our little tingle dangle with the
Tingle
dangle. My new word for the day.
New word for the day. We should have that for every video. New word of the day by Fabian.
Well,
Tingle dangle.
This is our tingle dangle in a Tiffin Phaeton.
Okay.
I know it's PH, so it starts with a F.
I got this. Ready? It's a 2019 Tiffin motorhome. It is a Phaeton. It is a Phaeton X8. Hold on. Let's try this again. I got this. It is a 2019 Tiffin motorhome. It is a Phaeton XSL. Oh, XSH 40IH.
40 foot long diesel.
It's a diesel pusher.
Generator and all included.
Yeah.
I think they included everything in this. This even has a dishwasher, which I've never seen with a house on wheels before.
Now, we've watched other videos since this time and everything. So we do know they come equipped with them. But it was just impressive just to see.
Yeah. So let's watch Becky's
Van a White tour of the Tiffin.
Welcome to Proceeding Onward in America. POA in a Tiffin.
Over here we have our lovely
Glass shower.
look at the design inside.
I don't want to break any of this stuff.
The toilet. It's a porcelain toilet. Like in the house toilet. You can feel it. It's like sitting on a house toilet. Oh my god. A walk-in closet. You can walk in there. Oh, there's a safe in here for all your valuables. There's a slide. Your washer and dryer. All in one. His and her sinks. And all the cabinets for all your necessities. All this stuff. And the wall. And the bed. Ow! Okay, so the bed needs some more cushion. The bed needs more cushion. Somebody here. Would you like some ice with your drink? And water? In the fridge. We can have all the food.
I think your mother would join us if we come home with this.
Oh, she would. Look at this. This is amazing. Another bathroom. Oh my god. And look at the floor. It's like marble. You're gliding on it. Don't mind my shoes. And the sink. Oh, hold up. glass stove top, a dishwasher that's beeping at me. Yup. Cabinets. The sink that Fabian always wants. Well, it's not that deep of a sink, but it's stainless steel and not the cheap plastic. So there's no oven. I like ovens. But you have a microwave. I believe this goes in and out. I don't want to break it. You're good. Oh, there you go. The button. Dinette table. You got your normal sofa. You got your reclining chairs. You can watch your TV right on over there.
Drive this damn thing. Oh my gosh, look at the next TV there.
2 TVs. Backup camera. Oh, hold on. Okay. Yes. Look at that steering wheel.
I know, but I'm sure it comes down. I just don't know how.
Probably no, right there. Yeah. Pull it out towards you. To the left. Oh, there you go. Yeah, baby. Look at you, high classing it. In a Tiffin.
I got a driving fan.
Whoa, hello.
Dang, it's really adjustable.
Well, that makes it up closer. For me. Because I'm short.
This is your driver's license and registrations.
When the cop pulls you over. This is amazing. Outside is more game. This is impressive. I'm not going to open all of them. Cummins. Oh, they're unlocked.
We're back. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. It was pretty funny for us, and even though we did not record a lot of footages here, this was pretty much all we recorded because we was mostly just enjoying all of the RVs and travel trailers that we was seeing down at this RV show. And then when we saw this, we just had to record this just to be funny.
Yeah, well, we didn't even know if it was going to become a video. But now since we see everybody else doing their videos, we're just like, hey, why not?
Yeah.
It's just, we thought it's funny.
So we just thought we'll share it with y'all since we're not going to be at one this year. But there is a possibility that I might go to one because Becky has to step away for 2 weeks for some services. So I might go to one out here in Nashville. If I do, y'all might see some videos on that one. I know she's mad. But if I don't make it...
Alive.
that means I was killed. Just joking.
Who knows, I might come home to a whole new home.
That would be good. No, I'm joking. But we hope y'all enjoyed this video.
And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe and ring that bell right on down there.
And hope to see y'all on the road.
Oh, and if you want to keep following us, make sure you check out our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or our Patreon account.
Where $1 a month can help us make more videos like this.
Yeah, and comment down below if you want to say anything. You don't mind, whatever you want to comment. I don't know. This video really wasn't is like in the hidden archives.
Just comment down below on if you think Becky would make a great Vanna White.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. See you on the road.